Hey, it's AP, and today we're unboxing the Return of the Jedi Scout Trooper armor from Studio Creations. Check it out. As some of you might know, I cosplay as Darth Vader in the 501st Legion, and I've been wanting to add Star Wars costumes to my cosplay collection, and so I decided to pursue a Scout Trooper from Return of the Jedi. I love the Scout Trooper. It's my second favorite costume in Return of the Jedi. It's cool looking. They have those bikes. You can move around in it. They attack the murder bears known as Ewoks. I mean, what isn't there to love about a Scout Trooper? So I started this process a few months back with my unboxing of the Altman Scout Trooper helmet, which you can see right here, where you got to see me nerd out over a beautiful piece of fabricated armor from Mr. Steve Altman. And I just recently got this in the mail. This is the armor from Studio Creations. Studio Creations came highly recommended from a friend of mine who is also a Scout Trooper. So let's see what all the buzz is about. My first impression is that I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger.
That's what she said.
Of a box. I didn't realize how compact they were able to put the armor in here. But that's the cool thing about the Scout Trooper, is that there's not a lot of hard goods associated with it, which makes it for much easier to move around in than your standard Stormtrooper, which is cool. I did break the tape on the box already, but I didn't poke around in the box. So if that dashes the magic of these unboxing videos for you, I apologize. But let's bring the camera over here and see what's inside the box. What's inside the box? The box, we have all kinds of goodies. Oh, so okay. So what's great about this kit is that they really give you everything you need to put the armor together. This is all of the webbing that you'll need to attach the armor. The Velcro. This is great because I actually bought a bunch of stuff off of Joanne Fabric's website already, so I can find other purposes for that. Next up, we have the, I think it's called a thermal detonator kit. And this comes with everything you need to put together the thermal detonator, which goes on the back of the armor together. This is really nice. It's just some piping. And again, you have the clips, the webbing, the blast caps. I don't think the grenade is in there. I'm sure it's somewhere in the box, though. That's very cool. They even go through the trouble of giving you these cable ties, which is very nice. Thank you, Studio Creations. Then we have, here, now we have some, now these are, I believe that these are not injection molded. What's the word I'm looking for? Vacuum formed pieces of ABS. So I think, oh, this might be, is that the grenade? I think that's the grenade. That goes on the back. It looks like there's some greeblies here. This is very well packed. I will say that. What do we have here? Oh, these look like they're, oh, these are, yeah, these are definitely greeblies. This is the bottom of the backpack. These look like they're resin, these are resin molded. Oh, that's so smooth. Fun fact, this little piece here, if you can see it, can you see it? Am I out of focus? Where's the focus? Why am I not focusing? Because of that. Stop it. There we go. This piece here is actually also found on the TIE Fighter model, which is pretty cool. It goes on the outside of the wing of the TIE Fighter. Okay, so we have those. These go on the, what do these go on? I think the shoulder armor or something like that. All right, so we got all of our greeblies. I don't know what this goes to or this goes to, but we will figure it out. All right, very nice. Let's put these back. together. Next, next is I believe this is, this is the holster for the blaster. And so this kind of goes around the boot, and this attaches somehow. No idea how. But there are instructions that come with this, so don't worry, folks. Don't worry. You will not be lost. The folks over at Studio Creations gave us very clear instructions. All right. Looks like we have the backpack. Be very careful when opening this up, especially if you're using a X-Acto or something. You don't want to slice the ABS at all. Go slow. All right, so in here, these go on the belt, I think. And we have our, these are our, I don't know, these are the elbows or the knees. Those are the shoulder, or the arms, the biceps. These feel great. I'm so glad I purchased this versus 3D printing it. These are your kneecaps. These are the shoulder bells. And then you have the backpack. Well packaged. Well packaged. Okay. Then we have the belt. I'm not going to undo that, but you can see the... Actually, screw it. I've undone everything else. All right. That's the belt. Has some nice give to it. I bet you have to warm it up a little bit to get a nice... actually. Yeah, okay. Curious to see how that actually fits. They give you a little checklist of all the things that are in here. Very cool. I think the decals are in here. Yeah, there are kinds of decals and different stuff in here. All right, we'll put that aside, don't lose that. Then finally, the chest armor. That's the back, and this is the front. You get two pieces, one for the front, one for the back. And, I'm covering up the microphone. I think that's it. All right. So that's the front. Oh, that's nice. All right, and then there we go. We got my little armor. feel like Buffalo Bill in Silence of the Lambs. Weird. All right. So there you have the unboxing of the Studio Creations Return of the Jedi Scout Trooper Armor Kit. Next step, I have to start putting this all together. That'll be a follow-up episode. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see this klutz work his way through following instructions on how to put this armor together. Hit that like button if you haven't done so already. If you're on the fence or know someone who's on the fence about purchasing the Studio Creations Return of the Jedi Scout Trooper armor kit, well, share this video with them and show them how cool it is. If you like this video, well, check out some of my other cosplay videos. I created a really cool robot man a while back, which I love to death. And if you want to learn how to make your own robot man from Doom Patrol, well, check out this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.